Hey, good morning. I'm here with Gabby, KB Homes at Wesley Chapel. I want to show you this house is available here. So she's gonna explain a little bit about this house that is for sale right now. And Gabby, tell me more about this house.
So this is our 2566 floor plan. It is a 4-bed, 3-bath with a loft. It is move-in ready, so if you are interested, then please let us know.
Okay, so let's show the house. This beautiful home has 2566 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2 car garage. This home is inviting for a covered porch for added curb appeal. And inside you will discover an upper floor plan with 9 feet ceiling height. The expansive great room offers access to an extended covered park patio. The stylish kitchen has a large island breakfast bar and 42 inches upper cabinets, pantry, and quartz countertops with Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, a loft improvises space for a home office or private retreat. Enjoy the convenience of a dedicated laundry room, and the primary suite features a walk-in closet and connecting bath that includes a linen closet, extended dual sink vanity, quartz countertop, and walk-in shower with tile surround all the area. This amazing community in Wesley Chapel doesn't have a CDD and have a low HOA. Has also a commuter-friendly short drive to the I-75. Is close to shopping and dining at the Grove, at Wesley Chapel, and Crate. If you want to tour this home, just contact me to set an appointment and meet you at this beautiful home.